Hey, g'day guys, it's James here. I'm going to show you how you can join my mentorship program that's usually $1,000 for just literally $100. So I'm right now going to show you in that mentorship program, I'm going to show you the 3-step process that I've used. It's very easy, very simple on how to generate nearly $8,000 in the last month. So as you can see here, the dates here is 1st of February 2020 to today. I've done nearly $8,000 in sales. On top of that, I've some recurring sales as well, which adds on another $210. So as you can see, my step-by-step process works. I know there's a lot of frustration and confusion out there. You get shown all these different products. You get shown these different methods. I want to simplify that for you. I want to bring that clarity, and I want you to bring it to my 3-step process where it actually works. You start making money. You can start sending your funds or your investment into the right place in order to get a return. Because obviously right now, when I've been talking to a lot of people, they've been replying to my emails that have bought, for example, the lost code. There's a lot of confusion in being able to start generating commission, start getting money in and whatnot. So my 3-step process is going to simplify that for you. It's very simple. I'm going to give you my personal website that I generate money with. I'm going to share you those with you. I'm going to give you my email campaigns, and I'm going to literally give you everything for your arsenal to make this work. My traffic methods, people where I find buyers every day. I will give you this if you jump onto the One Funnel Challenge away today. Now, so the One Funnel Challenge is a program, back up here, where you can launch your first funnel. So a lot of people actually that have even like figures and figures, they go through the process multiple times a year. Yep, they spend $100, but I ask you to do that. What they do is they found this very honestly to get clarity, to build their business, websites, and send and get people their product. So it's a very, very simple process. Now, I've been through it twice, and this is literally this very start of me generating this sort of money. So this is why I'm promoting this product to you, in order to jump on and start getting clarity in the process and start getting clarity in what you want to do online and start making some money. So, and there it is, the quicker you get clarity, the quicker you will get results. Now, when you invest in the actual one, you get a lot more as well. They're going to give 30 days of video missions from Russell Brunson, because he personally goes through it with you, walks it through with you. Now, as though you're a beginner, you will also get Stephen Larson and Julius Doran. Now, Stephen Larson, he's made funnels. He's perfected it. He teaches you how to write and how to really connect with people in order to pull out their credit card and start paying money. You get the customer kit, you get this kit, you get the workbook, you get a hardcover book for 30 days of all the different testimonials from 7-figure earners. You get behind the scenes Diploma Club interviews, which is pretty huge, very valuable. You get an MP3 player with One Funnel Away tutorials, and you get about a little $3 grand you get for $100. Now, the next one does start, so you need to jump on quick. And I will go through these 30 with you, step by step, what you're getting out of it, what you're going to do, and how you're going to take on the next day. I'm going to guide you through it. Now, part of this, I'm going to help you. I've started up a Facebook group. I'm going to bring you in, and we're going to start masterminding. We're going to start doing all these different things. You can get clarity in bringing your business to the next level, or even if you're starting out and you get traction. Now, I'm going to show you what I'm going to give you. I'm going to give you my exact funnel on how I get people to buy the lost code. This is my $8 grand thing. So I want to give you this to start. Now, if you've bought the lost code, or if you haven't bought it yet, I'm going to show you how to promote it. You will have to buy the lost code first, but I will show you how to promote it. And then you will have to go through, you'll set up this, and I'm going to show you the exact people that I buy traffic through in order to get sales. And my return on investment is a lot more than what I spend. So I'm making money. So it really does work. And when they go through, you would have actually come through this page. You would have seen this before. I'm going to give you these exact things. So this is how I've connected with you in the first place. So obviously I gained your attention, I've gained your trust, and this is how I'm going through it. So I'm going to give you these exact pages for you today if you jump onto the One Funnel Way. I'm also going to help you set up your emailing list. I'm going to give you all my emails that convert to product buys because the money is in the list. I've got nearly obviously 3,000 people here in just this one list. So I'm going to show you how you can get a lot of people that are hungry to buy. So this is how I generate, and obviously people don't make their decision on the first up, but I'm going to show you how you can actually follow up with those people so they make a decision later to purchase a product and generate more commissions and increase your revenue. So guys, if you haven't done so yet, jump onto the One Funnel Way. Please do so by the end of today. This is why I'm getting this video out really quick. See, it's 9:50 a.m. Eastern Time. You have 11 hours to join, secure your spot. There's only a few spots left. I want you to make sure you jump on really quick. All right, guys, this is what you're getting. You're going to get the blueprint that's generated nearly $8,290 for me in the last day. I've also generated another $5,000, so I've actually had a $15,000 month on top of that. So, all right, guys, so this is literally what you'll be getting if you jump on to the One Funnel Way. So when you join, click on the Join Challenge now. It'll take you down to the page here. You can select either the digital product or you can get the box sent to you for an additional $20. But usually I ask for people to do the digital because it's easier. You get all the printouts. There's no shipping charges. If you want the box, great, go for it. I've got the box. It's awesome. Click that. So for example, digital, you go to the next step. You could put your contact info in, billing details, go next step. And then there you go. So you can really, and then you go to the next step after that, where they prompt you where you want to send your training. So, all right, guys, please jump onto the One Funnel Way today. $100. I'll literally bring clarity to the process for you. You'll get my mentorship for life, and I will really guide you through everything that what you need to do in order to start a successful online business. All right, guys, cheers.